Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Chance Petite Wig from Natural Image Inspired Collection. This is a beautiful long synthetic wig, got lovely length and layers to it, beautiful movement. This is the colour Wheat Mist, it's just a really pretty blonde. So I'm just going to flip this cap inside out so you can take a closer look at the construction of this wig. So, fully hand tied monofilament section up the top. This means you can part the hair anyway and you'll see it right through to the scalp there. You've also got a poly strip running across the front, so if you wanted to glue this wig down for a wee bit extra security, it's absolutely perfect for that. On the back here you've got some lovely open wefts, which is perfect for letting air circulate, keeping you cool in the summer times and hot weather. You've also got these Velcro adjustable tabs so you can get the perfect fit, as well as your metal stays in the ear tabs there, again just keeping you comfortable all day. So I've just popped on a little wig cap so that I can show you what this wig looks like on. So I'm just going to pop it on from the forehead, flip it over and adjust it from those ear tabs there. So as you can see, she has a beautiful long style. The side and back of this wig is about 20 to 30 centimetres. You've got 40 centimetres from the nape and 60 centimetres from the crown. So you've got loads of lovely length and layers. These layers are tapered down towards the bottom so that the movement is really beautiful and natural. Right. So again, this is the shade Wheat Mist, but I'm just going to try on a couple other shades that Judy Plum has in stock at the moment. So this is the shade Almond Mist, so a much darker blonde there. You've got some beautiful highlights running through it, giving it lots of dimension. And the final shade I've got to show you today is a Paprika Mist. So this is more of an auburny brunette. You've got some lovely sort of reddy tones running through, lovely and warm. It's also a little bit darker on the underneath section, which gives a really natural appearance, as if the sun has lightened up the top and left the bottom a wee bit darker. So I'm just going to do a little spin around so you can see what the Chance Petite wig looks like from every angle. So as you can see, the Chance Petite Wig by Natural Image is a beautiful long synthetic style that has lots of beautiful layers and movement for a supernatural look. Of course, this is a petite wig, so it's a little bit of a smaller cap size. Perfect for all you petite wig wearers out there, but of course you've got those little adjustable tabs in the back as well, so you can make sure you've got the perfect fit. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Chance Petite Wig from Natural Image. If you want to know more about this wig or any of the other beautiful styles that are available at Judy Plum, head on over to the website, give us a follow on all social media at Judy Plum. You can also find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out our other wig reviews and head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the great range of beautiful wigs at the best prices with some great customer reviews.